morning, everybody. I was thinking, what could I do with my friends today? And I came up with this idea. I figured we could make a book. Well, what book are we going to make? And I thought, and I said, we will make the book Press Here. We've read a similar book in class, but I thought it would be really fun to make it. What we're going to need is 4 pages of paper, and we're going to fold them in half. And then your mommies and daddies can staple them, and we will have a book. We will also need 3 different color markers. A blue one, a red one, and a purple one. Before we start making our own book, I'm going to read you my book that I made, and we can make one similar. This is my book. It starts off with a blue dot here, and it says press here and turn the page. Great! Now press a blue dot 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Well done! Now gently shake the book upside down. I'm going to shake the book upside down. Look what happens. What happens? All the dots came to the top. Perfect. Now shape the book really hard. I hope that's hard enough. Oops. A little bit too hard. Now close the book. Open the book. What happened? Yeah, it turned purple. Now clap once. Look, what happened? Look what you did. Do you see the big dots turned into 3 tiny dots? Now clap 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They all came back together, and I have 1 purple dot. The end. You can call the book whatever you want. You can put your name on it, and it is your own special book. You can read it to your family and to your brothers and sisters. Now let's begin our book. The first thing we're going to do is take our blue marker, and we are going to make a dot. You can make that dot big or small, however you want it. I'm just going to make my dot like that. And then I'm going to turn the page. There we go. Now on this page, I am going to make, you got it, 2 dots. 1, however you want to make the dots. 2. I decided to make my dots like that. And then we are going to turn the page. On the next page, it's going to be a little bit different. I am going to make 1 blue dot, 2 blue dots, and I'm going to take my red pen, and I am going to make a dot. How many dots do I have I have 1, 2, 3 dots. I have 2 blue dots and 1 red dot. Now I am going to turn my page and I am going to touch the top of my page. Where's the top of my page? Is this the top of my page? Is that the top of my page? Is this the top of my page? Yes, this is the top of my page. And I'm going to make my same 3 dots there. I am going to make my blue dot, my second blue dot, and my red dot. However you want to make your dots is just fine. And now I'm going to turn the page. On this page, I am going to make my dots at the bottom of the page. This the bottom? No, that's the middle. Is this the bottom? No, that's the top. Where is the bottom? It's down here. And I am going to make my 3 dots at the bottom of the page. I'm going to do very small dots this time. 1, 2 blue dots, and a red dot right at the bottom of my page. And now I'm going to turn the page. What are we going to do on this page? I am going to pick up my purple marker and I am going to make 3 dots on this page. I think I'll make a dot over here and a dot over here and a dot over here. There's my 3 purple dots. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to turn the page. What am I going to put on this page? I am going to put 3 little dots on this page. 1, 2, 3. Do you see my 3 little dots? 1, 2, 3. And now I'm going to turn the page. What am I going to do on the last page of my book? I am going to do 1 big purple dot, just like that. And now let's read the book. Press here and turn the page. Well done. Now what? Let's start again. Press here. Whoop. Look what you did. Great. Now press a blue dot 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And turn the page. You can make up your own story. This was my story. What happened? 2 blue and 1 red. Now I'm going to gently shake the book upside down. And I'm going to turn the page. Look what happened. My dots all came to the top of the page. Now I'm going to gently shake the book. I shook it a little too hard and they all came down to the bottom. Now I'm going to close the book and open the book. I changed the color. Now I'm going to clap 1 time. And now I'm going to clap 3 times. And I'm going to turn the page. And the dot came back. That is a really fun book to make. So go and enjoy doing it to your family, your mommy and daddies, and you can change it every time. It doesn't have to be the same story. You can make up different fun things to do. Have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow.